All right, this is a magic foldable. Let me just adjust the camera here. Okay, a magic foldable is a way for you to do some review of vocabulary or key dates and events, key people. It makes for a great test review. So this is what it looks like when it's finished. My magic foldable here is going to have 20 sections. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then when we open it up, there's the back. So the question or the vocab word would go here, the answer or the definition would go here. There's 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and the answers go on the back. Here's where the magic comes in. This is how you're going to fit 20 on this foldable. So you take your foldable, you fold it flat, then you turn it over and flip it, and now you've got 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. There you go on your magic foldable. Okay, so let's make one. You're going to need two things. You're going to need a regular 8x11 sheet of paper, and then you're going to need another half sheet of 8x11. It works best if you have two colors. So we're going to take our half sheet and set that off to the side for the second, and we're going to start with our whole sheet of paper. We're going to fold it in half, make a nice crisp crease. Open it up, fold the inside, the halves to the inside, so we're making it into quarters. Nice crisp crease. Okay, so now we've got a quarter sheet. Make sure you have all your edges nice and neat. Open it up, fold it in half again. And now this is where we're going to make our cuts. I want to make 20 sections, so I'm going to make 4 cuts, roughly equal. So here's 1, and you're going to cut it all the way over to the crease. 2, 3, and 4. Now you can see you have 5 little sections, and you're going to open that up. That's what it looks like. You're going to set this off to the side for a second and take your half sheet of paper. Okay, so here's my half sheet. I'm going to fold the half in half, crease it nice and neat, open it up, and I'm going to cut it into 2 strips. Alright, here are my 2 strips. And now we're going to weave the strips through. There's one, and we're going to weave this one opposite of the other one. Okay, so now we have it woven through. We're going to lay it out nice and neat and flat. Make sure all the edges line up. We're going to take the outside pieces and fold those over the middle. And then we're going to fold it up where it's naturally wants to come up like this, where we have the fold. Fold it up and lay it down. So now you have a cover. And when you open it up, you have section 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you're gently going to pull this middle part apart. Fold it down, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay? Now is where the magic comes. take your paper and lay it out flat. Flip it over. Take the middle part, fold it up. Lay all the pieces down. And now you have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Gently open the middle. 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. One idea for how to use this, and this is a shout out to Miss Young at Dogan for giving me this idea. We were talking about studying the colonial grievances, which are listed in 8.15c. What were the colonial grievances listed in the Declaration of Independence, and where are they addressed? So here's a foldable I made for that. So we have some basic information. What is the Declaration of Independence? When was it written? And then we have the first 3 grievances, and when you fold it over, here's the answer. What is the Declaration of Independence? When was it written? Grievance 1 was taxation without representation. Grievance 2 is that the king had absolute power. Grievance 3 is that the colonists were not allowed to speak out against the king. So more basic information. Who wrote it? Why was it important? Grievance 1, where is it addressed? Grievance 2, where is it addressed? Grievance 3, where is it addressed? So we're going to look. It was written by Thomas Jefferson. It's important because this is the first step in us becoming our own separate nation. Grievance 1 is addressed in the Constitution, and that all states are represented equally in Congress, which sets the taxes. Grievance 2 is addressed in the Constitution. The Congress has the power to override presidential veto. And Grievance 3 is addressed in the Bill of Rights in the First Amendment with the freedom of speech. So we're going to take it, fold it flat, flip it over, fold this up in the middle. Now we've got Grievance 4, 5, 6. What is the Constitution? What is the Bill of Rights? Here we have listed Grievance 4, 5, and 6, the Quartering Act, homes being searched without warrants, no trial by jury of the peers. What is the Constitution? What is the Bill of Rights? Where is Grievance 4, 5, and 6 addressed? So what about the Constitution? So what about the Bill of Rights? And here we go. So you can use this for a lot of different things. I definitely could see doing principles of the Constitution with this. I could see doing one of these for founding documents that kids need to know. Absolutely key figures, historical figures that they need to know and memorize. This is fantastic for vocab. It's great because the kids can take this home and study for, so if you've got a test review. So I hope this gave you a new little magic trick to put in your pocket. The kids really enjoy doing these. One of the things I do recommend if you're going to do this in class is to have some of this pre-prepared for them. Have some of the sheets already cut into strips so that it'll take less time. You might want to have your sheet of paper with, lines drawn. Fold here, fold here, fold here, and then make your lines to give them some guidance on where to cut. It tends to make things go a little bit quicker. I hope that you enjoyed this little video. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call or shoot me an email. Thank you so much.